Hey everyone, just thought I'd do a quick walkthrough of my chicken tractor wheel setup in case anyone finds it helpful. I made these wheel systems that just slip on and off a chicken tractor really easily, so you just need one set and you can move as many chicken tractors as you have. First, there's these hooks that just use some lags to attach to the chicken tractor. And you could make as many of these as you want and each tractor could have its own permanent set. But from there, you just slip this on. There's a lag here and here, and that's it, they're connected. Take the lags out, slip it right off, and swap it over to a new tractor. So there's this bar that has a bolt welded onto it, and that acts as the axle. There's a slight bend here at the bottom, and that just assists slipping it over onto that hook. There's two struts that attach it just to keep the wheel in place and straight while it's attached. And then there's just a couple spacers, some washers, nuts, that's it, and lags to attach it to the actual tractor. So pretty simple setup. I'll go ahead and assemble this one so that you can watch that, and then I'll go attach it to my chicken tractor because I need to move that today anyway. So the first thing I'll do is just take the bar and put the axle facing up. I'll drop on a short spacer and a washer. Then the wheel already has bearings installed, so I can just drop that on. From there, a washer, the longer spacer, and a second washer. Forward facing strut, and then this strut, and these holes line up here on the bar. Then it's just a lock washer and a nut. So just tighten this nut down and it's ready to go. The spacers are sized to keep the wheel centered between these two so that it just doesn't rub on anything. And that's it. Now I'll take these out to the tractor and show you how I install them. First thing I'll do is just tip the side up and kick a brick in underneath to raise it up. Next, I'll just install the hook pointing down. Then I'll just get the wheel in place and just use a piece of wood to pry up the tractor and slip the wheel onto the hook. Just bolt this into place. Then I just need to remove the brick. And that's it, it's on the wheel. So I'll do the other side now, and then we're off. All right, that's it. I'll go grab the tractor and take it to the new spot. So here it is, they're all set up in their summer woodland home. The wheels come off even easier than they go on. You don't need the brick, just to undo the two lags and the wheel basically falls off. I designed and made them in less than an hour with just some scraps lying around the workshop and a couple wheelbarrow wheels. So super easy, cheap, quick project. If you found this helpful or enjoyed the video, please give me a like. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.